Yeah. Dr. Remix GX on the beat. Yeah. Young producer on fire. Gynel TV, let's go. There is a young girl, her name is Gynel. Content queen, she dey run things well. From Ghana to the world, she ring that bell. Anytime she drop video, you dey cast that spell. Fine girls with the body big nyash on the screen. Gentlemen clean, everything simple. Gynel TV vibes, you know what I mean. She dey give us content fresh like a dream. Keep watching Gynel TV, yeah. Vibe too lively. From YouTube straight to your heart, every episode be. She like party, Gynel TV, Gynel TV. The best content in the city. Beautiful girl, fine boys pretty. Young producer running GGZ. She know the joke, she dey focus on her lane. Editing sharp, she dey walk through pain. Future so bright like sunshine rain. Gynel TV go worldwide, no complaint. Subscribers rising, notifications ring. Every new video be the next big thing. Support the girl, make the numbers sing. Gynel is the queen, let the whole world sing. Dr. Remix CAKES, make you tune in. Gynel.
Coconut
yes.
Problem solver.
I'll be the only coconut seller with a drink.
Oh yeah.
For a here.
Oh yeah.
If I coconut well, if you soccer, you go release depression. You go release stress. You go release hypertension, diabetes, everything you will kill.
Oh my God.
Yes. Today how we go so some. Look at give me this one. Coconut. Buy a coconut here. Coconut, kube. Make I taste it before I give to you. Buy your coconut. Oh, customer, feel free to sit down and drink it again. Coconut. Until kube, mommy, what's it? Yes. I'm the only kube seller. I'm a trip in the bus boat. What is here? Yes, yes. My coconut will make you release stress and depression at the same time. It will make you release pressure. Yes. Beautiful.
Yes.
You don't mind me, okay?
Okay.
Yes. It's part of the job, so like, let me put this thing aside and then.
My smile.
Let me. Oh, okay. Let me get myself one so that we can have some conversation and be coconut cheers. So coconut cheers.
Coconut cheers.
Oh, no. Coconut cheers. Say coconut cheers.
Coconut cheers.
Oh God have mercy. Are you okay? Oh yes.
You're so good at that.
That's how we do it. Now cheers me with the coconut.
Coconut cheers.
This is what I'm talking about. I know you kill me one day, but I'm not dying. Oh Lord of mercy. Yes. I'm the only coconut seller in Accra who they drip past.
No bad.
Nobody. And they spot like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah. Omniscient coconut
seller. And omnipotent coconut seller. Beautiful. You know something? I've been liking you every day. And then anytime that you come here, I give coconut for you for free. You understand? I want to talk this, like, I want us to have this conversation. I don't know, like, how you're going to take it. Because you need to think about this. Why is it like, always just again? The ball continue. So, what I'm trying to say right now is, my dear, before we go there, man, I really love you. I'm giving go straight to the point, you understand? Man, and then I was saying, I'm competent in your prepare. And then I know more point, Jim's coffee boys in you are. I'm going to go into your hand. So I was saying, beautiful. Move it. How is it? Hi! Which one is that? This coconut. I'll kill it right now. Let me kill it. What do you say? Take it. Because we're so proud. This man, I know his name. His name is Miyazi. He wants to wound you. I know his name. So like beautiful.
VIP.
Yeah. Let's call VIP coconut. My dear. I'm coming. But don't tell me that. I thought someone was buying some. My dear, please and please. I want you to do my job. Like, I would love you to be my woman. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Only you. I love you so much. Please. Because I love your station and how you are and how comfortable you are. Like you're very gentle. I've been staring at you, a couple of times before, like I come, encounter with you. You feel me? So please, thank you. Oh, you know how to chop love. And the local is in love. The local boy is in love. The local boy is in love. Do it to me again. I don't want you to do. Oh yes. What? You know this one. Enjoy. Take it, okay. Take another one. Okay. Right now, I want to hear from you. Please accept my proposal. I'm in love with you, and I can't hate no more. You understand? So please, just give me assurance. Let me know you're gonna be with me. Let me know you're gonna love me. I've been single for so long, and I want somebody to move on with. You understand me? So please. Buy your coconut here. The VIP coconut. The only coconut seller who they drip for Accra here. Yes. I'm the only coconut seller who they dress. Say, please, one is 1.5, this is 1.5, and this is 100 cedis. This is 80 cedis.
It's not normal. When the coconut become 1.5.
Oh, my dear, let me come out for you.
I'm buying coconut and you're telling me.
Check me out, that's how we do.
I want you to pay for your drip.
It's something like, it's a brand, Biococonut is different. It's different.
I should pay 1.5 for one coconut.
Because it's big, you understand? And then, let me tell you
so it's not normal, okay?
The truth is, no, wait. The truth is, my coconut, will release depression. When you're having depression, you're having typhoid, when you are stressed out, when you're having pressure, diabetes.
Has a lot to do with human, nature. But you selling one coconut for 1.5, that's, it's so weird. It doesn't make sense.
Mine is from Israel. It's from Ghana. Yeah, it's special.
Okay, that's fine. We don't buy 1.5, we'll come and buy.
No, come on.
Sorry, let me do something. Oh, it's okay. You are I'm not even interested.
I'll give you.
I'm actually really looking for
No, okay.
Hey, I said I want to buy coconut.
I'm giving you 1.5,
and I said I won't buy it. This one here.
I really like you. I'm giving you okay.
So let's have I don't know why you saw and then you will be giving some prices. I don't get it. It's weird. Let me ask you, did you buy your coconuts for like 1.5?
My dear, please come on. Give me for free. Say my book. My name is Eduma. And don't try. I proposed to her and she was like, no, she's not interested in me. Now for myself, but I'm travel like it's was and so
no, but when you propose to a lady, the lady is not supposed to say yes like instantly.
No, not in this our generation. This our era, this our generation. We don't do that. I propose to you now. Make I not say I make myself. I'm supposed to say I beg. You know, I say give me a come out. Make I do my thing.
You give me another.
I will do what? I will give another come out. I be foolish boy. What? My dear. So like as they say, I be the drip coconut. Street boy way, me pay the whole Accra here, and the people that say coconut. They might want to be different from. You say what?
Give me your coconut, I didn't take it, so please, thank you very much.
So you want another? Mommy, I don't know. The way you want to put something with your heart. The way now, open again, you can put something with your heart. You look like you.
Hey, yes, and the phone there.
Onuga.
Yeah,
As I have my baba here. Well, the way you know, mommy, the way you know, you didn't move it at all. Oh my God. Also, I'm sorry, I want to tell you, you mean, people are home. I say, well, I don't say, man, before, or no one say, Konokaya, or no one thing, also moving swap. The way you know, you see me all day. I propose give you, I propose to you, so like, like, I'm your spec. I should give you what? I don't get that time to continue. You'll get another man.
It's okay.
Oh God.
Thank you. Please, let me insult the differences.
No, it's not like
Thank you.
which differences?
Can you be a gentleman
Yes,
for me to
yes,
do?
I'm a gentleman already. She's nothing to me. You understand?
If you said it to you, why would
So
you
which
be here
differences?
telling you are still with her and you are
Mama,
posing
you're
to
small,
her?
mommy, another side.
Ah,
Ah?
let me just go back home.
Dede?
Like,
Dede? Hey? Me denyame, right? The wise is saying no. Me keep as one time I say me metu mo na me keep bia because who you din ko sasem. Mo so where you come
and this together.
Oko dey meet me accept so oko dey.
You and I, you go back on club.
E tu come here ma. What's the name? Hey, you say what? Nah, you say what? You don't like me. So I come, you be wizard or what? Now they sent you for me or what? Let you, yes, so much of the time, so I don't get it. Because right now, I'm saying they like me. Fine, I accept. Why say I get another show you are proposed to so you can't say, Charlie, you why? Mama, what are you? Hey, I come, somebody rep me before. You say I get room for you. This guy, if I don't rep you today.